In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice from Zoho's sales module. Managing your invoices efficiently is crucial for keeping your financial records up to date. And sometimes you might need to delete an invoice for one reason or another. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step, so you can perform this task with confidence and ease. First, after logging into your Zoho account, you'll want to navigate to the Sales module, which you can find on the left sidebar. This section is where all your sales-related activities are centered, and it provides you with tools and options to manage your sales processes seamlessly. Once you're in the Sales module, your focus should be on the Invoices section. Click on Invoices to access a list of all your invoices, neatly organized for easy browsing. Now, to proceed with the deletion, look through the list and identify the invoice you intend to delete. You have two ways of selecting the invoice. Either by clicking directly on its invoice number, which allows you to delve into its details more thoroughly, or for a quicker approach, simply use the checkboxes found next to each invoice on the list. This selection is crucial to ensure that you are managing the correct document, especially if you have a long list of invoices. After selecting the invoice you wish to remove, you will want to locate the drop-down menu within the interface. Typically, this menu will contain several options regarding invoice management. From this drop-down, choose the Delete option. This step is vital as it initiates the removal process and prepares the platform to confirm your decision. Upon selecting Delete, Zoho is designed to prompt you with a confirmation message. It's a safety net preventing any accidental erasures, which is always useful to have. Carefully review this confirmation prompt. Double-check that the invoice number and details match what you wish to delete. When you're certain, click Delete once more to finalize your action. By following these steps, you ensure that only the selected invoice is removed from your records, maintaining the accuracy of your sales data. Remember that once you confirm this deletion, recovering the invoice may not be straightforward, so always ensure backups or necessitated records remain intact if needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully, it helps you manage your invoices in Zoho more effectively. And if you have any other questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore other helpful resources or reach out to us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative guides like this one. Have a great day managing your sales with Zoho.